and welcome back. I'm sorry I've not been on for a while with me working and having grandson who's just starting to walk. Oh, it's a nightmare because I don't have carpets and dogs are always under my feet as it is, never mind with Reggie. I'm terrible. I just keep on holding them like that. So yeah, it's been hard lately, especially with menopause, so I'm not sleeping that well anyway. So I really haven't done much, to be honest. A few spare projects I've done just while he's been sleeping. I've just finished my elephant there. That turned out beautiful, that did. The frame I got from Amazon, it was only £12.36. It's cheaper than range. And it's a nice frame as well. Couldn't get the size I wanted. I keep on saying this, don't buy the odd sizes, but I've done it again. I'm doing the floral deer at the moment that I got from the one with the diamond art. Oh, it's turning out beautiful. I've had 4 days off. Daughter-in-law's not working because shops closed very fit, so I've been able to do some deeping, so I finished that off and I'm just starting on this one. I think I'm getting back next Thursday. I've got to say that I am missing him. So, right, well, today I'm going to do an unboxing. I've got some stuff from AliExpress. One of them's a Hum Fun one, because a few of them group were going on about because it's not pod glue, so they've had quite a lot of reviews, so I thought, well, I did have an image and I seen it and I wanted it, so I ordered that. I think I've ordered a dragon one. Now I did have one, but I couldn't find it, I don't know where it's gone. So I've ordered another one and that's got babies. Just a few more, and then I went onto eBay and did the bidding. So they came out pretty cheap actually. So let me turn this camera around and we'll crack on with this video. Here they all are, so I'm just going to pop them down. I think we'll start with the Hum Fun one. I think I paid £18.99 for the express. These are the eBay ones. So this is the one from Hum Fun. Yeah, it is, yeah. So let's open this up and let's have a look. It's a cute picture. So it comes in box. Hum Fun. Hum Fun. Let's get it out of the box. Let's so we can sort this out a little bit better. Yeah, this is what I'm doing at the moment. Look at that. Look at that. The colours in it are absolutely beautiful. So let's have a look. That does have the inventory. Oh, I hate that. All separate little bags. And a lot of them do them now, don't they? They put them in tip baggies, which are really good and so much easier to fill. So that's a picture of it. Look at that. Isn't she cute? Beautiful. What size there? 50 times 70, so that should be okay. I did get in circles on it because I love them squares, but it takes so much time up, and time at the moment is very precious to me. This week I said to husband, what did I say to him? I said, oh blimey, I miss my old life before looking after a grandson, where I could just DP, go to work and then come home and DP all the time. But yeah, trying pen. Well, it don't look very promising. So, yeah, picture of it there. At least you get an inventory with it. So let's open this up and let's see how bad it is. I'm going to increased. I think we are going to have some problems with this. That's why I love pod glue. For this reason. Oh, blimey. Yeah, there's a lot of rivers in this. See, oh yeah. Sizing's okay. Is actually 50 times 70, but I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can turn this down a bit more. We have rivers here, on there, going all the way on there, there. All over here, outside. I've not got my glasses on, but yeah. It's dirty here. It's dirty up at top here. It's fine because this stuff, we all have it, don't we? It's absolutely brilliant for cleaning around here. I think it's because it's got alcohol in it. Even when I do my space projects with the glass for the glue, it actually removes the glue as well, the excess glue. So it's very clear. It's very sticky, but I can't say I'm a great lover because, yeah, fair enough, I can get them out, but it's more time consuming. Yeah, it's not the best. Did I pay £18.99 and plus the tax on top. I got it because the colours looked really nice. Would I order from them again? Probably not. I don't like pod glue, it's so much easier. Let's look. She's cute though. I might have to order it again, but I think I'll order it from a different store. Maybe I'll do it as a custom. Because I mean, look at this one, pod glue, compared to that one. Might order it from the one with the diamond darts. Probably in their ABs like this. So yeah, I'm not big likey with that one. Stick it back to the side. Let's have a look at the drawers. This is the thing, isn't it, when it comes in these bags like this. A lot of them don't do it like this now. Quite a few don't. Let's see what colours we've got. I thought it would be brighter, but it's not. It's more your oranges. some burgundies. Probably a bit more pink. Some creams. Not a lot of pink in them, to be honest. And pinky sort of colour there. And purples. Let's see what we've got. I always like to see, but yeah, we did get some 310s. Inventory sheet there. Your numbers, your sign, your DMC, how many packets you get, and how many individual drugs they are altogether. So that is from Home. I don't know if I'll have them do it, to be honest with you. Oh, there's some nice blues there. I just don't think. Yeah, there's quite a few blues actually. It's just my worst nightmare, these little small ones like this. When I'm kitting up when the small ones like this, I only cut, well, find out how many I've got. So like that one, I need to get 3743. 3743. 16 packets, so I'd only put like 10 in. And then when I start running out, just a bag at a time. So then, at the end, sometimes you can have 3 bags unopened and you can just be popped in cheese spares. It's a bit more time consuming doing with the little bags like this, individual bags. For those, it's normally, you don't get that 200 in a pack. So Home Fun, what do I think? No, I have ordered from them before though. And they've not been as bad as what that one was. Now I don't know why they are coming a bit, well, a lot more vivid like that, because I have had some from there before and they haven't. But recently people are saying that there's a hell of a lot more rivers and they're not as happy as they used to be. I think that is as well because a lot of us do the cord glue ones now, don't we? So, let's have a look. I am not, yeah, so I've got another unboxing. I don't know what it is. I honestly can't remember what it is. So let's have a look. So it's got a felt backing. Oh, it's my dragon. Oh, look at the colours in this. Bees. Got full those in a minute. I think this was about $15.99, $16.99, something like that. Let's have it in inventory. Look at the colours on that. How cute is that? I don't know if it's the same on that. I did have, but I really can't find it. I just do not know where it's gone. And I don't think I would have given that one away. I do give a lot away. But, yeah, love it. It is cord glue. Yay! That's very sticky. And the symbols are absolutely amazing. How many colours have we got in this one? £39, and it's a 45 by 60. The symbols and knots. How clear is that? Oh, so cute. That'd look amazing, that with the black and the ABs. Let's have a look. Oh, I have to do this one soon. Once I've done this one. And the other one that I've ordered. Yeah, I've ordered another one. I've done it as a custom. It's fairy and it's pink. Oh my god, it's beautiful picture. Beautiful. What did I order? Size ordered 80 by 120 in circles. So this one is in squares, which will look fantastic. I'm just looking at these colours already and I'm in love. They're all in these baggies. A lot better. Purple herbies. Some pink herbies. They're in little bags. That's fine. At least there's not loads of them, is there? How many of these did we get? 4 herbies. Let's see. Some lighter purples herbies. Some oranges and herbies. It does seem like they've come in little bags apart from the purple. So that is your herbies. Light purple. Orange. I think I've got some of those actually. Some purples. And the pinks. How vibrant are those pinks? Let's go through some colours then. Some nice blues. It's nice, isn't it, sometimes to do colourful ones. After I did that elephant, yeah, I know there's colour in it, but there were a lot of greys and blues and that. So I think I must have ordered some brighter colours while I was doing that. Some purples, quite a lot of those. A very nice colour. Some aqua blue. Some more cute purples. Seem to be a lot of purples. 939. That's the darkest blue, isn't it? There's a lot of those. I think those must be for backs. Colours. Let's have a look. Have we got any free? I don't think we've got free tents in this one. I think it's all 939. No, no free tents in this one. So yeah, 3939 is going to go there. Oh, just found another packet for herbies. Some pinks, some blues, and I got this from the eBay diamond painting store. So get some of the greens out. Nice and vibrant, aren't they? This is going to look amazing. If you've done this one, go onto my Instagram and send me a picture so I know what it'll look like. Look at these. So vibrant. There we are. Bright yellows. So I think that is going to look absolutely fantastic. Yeah, well happy with that one. And that was from AB Joe Diamond Painting Store. I think about £16–17, something like that, but you do get the inventory of it. There's the picture of it there. They have got others as well. all different styles these, so I might be naughty. I might a couple of more. That would be cute for Isabel in her room. So we could try and get a more bluish one for Jimmy. When I'll have time to do them, I don't know, but yeah, well happy with that. That's great. So that's good. That's fantastic. Let's see what else we've got. I'll show you the ones from eBay. Raw pot glue. Right, let's start with this one. I've had one of these before and I ended up giving that away in a raffle, so I thought I'd order myself another one. There's a picture there. See ya? She's holding a sword. So let's have a look. Individually bad, but neat. Let's say they are neatly done. Quite dark colours, but very compact. Oh, it's not the same one. I didn't know this is a different one. I think that'd be a giveaway one. Holding the sword. I don't think it might taste really that. Yeah, I think it'd be, I'd give this one away. Got a friend at work actually, diamond paints. She's going for an operation soon. And she's not had time to order, so I think this might be for you. It's pod glue. There's 28 colours in it. Hold on a minute. I'm just checking something here. It is round. It gets very confusing sometimes with these. No. I'm sure this is a square. These are circles. You can see how I'm coming up as a square there. Now normally when they're square like that, they are for squares. I won it in one of bids. I think I paid about £5.50, so that will include delivery as well. So I'm not too fussed, but yeah, it's not to my liking. I don't even know why I bidded on it. Half the time it's because I just like to get parcels delivered to my door. £5.50. Don't think it's, the size is smaller than what it should be. This is meant to be a 40 by 50. That's not a 40 by 50. I think the whole entire pasting area here, up here, takes it to a 40 times 50. Yeah, like that then. what I do as well is, I haven't actually got any by hand at the moment, but I will show you a little trick. When you get the pod glue ones, if you pop it on the wrong way, it sticks to it and it sticks bad. Literally. So what I do is, quite a few other people do it as well. I've got some little thank you stickers and I just stick them on the right way, so I know this is at the top. Just a little, because when I first started, I weren't looking on Facebook for diamond paintings and that lot. The amount of times I'd stuck this the wrong way and nearly ruined the picture. So that's why I throw stickers all over the place. £5.50. I just think it's meant to be a square. Could be wrong. But even the lighter colours are coming up on squares on the picture. It's quite a dark photo. Yeah. Okay. Your pen on your tray and that. Not bad. I'm sure Coletta will like that one. Keep it going, bless her. Now I got this one because I love the colours in it. I thought it'd be really vibrant. I think I paid, what did I pay for this? Let's have a look. £7.99 and £1.99 postage. And it is, I just got it, it's an like an abstract one. Man and that from eBay. I haven't done eBay orders in a while. I'll get a couple from there because I do know a lot of them are pod glue. So let's have a look. Oh. And that's different. You have to see colours in that, can't we? Definitely pod glue. So that other one must be a circle because it must be the company. Because I thought I ordered it in squares, but no. So that's it. Can you turn this up a bit so you can see a bit better? Hide my ugly look. There we are. How colourful is that? It's different, isn't it? Very different. Abstract to the man playing a guitar. And I just thought, wow, I bet the colours are nice and that's let's have a look at these colours. Yeah. How colourful are those? All those individual ones again. Just get a few out. I hate doing this because it's, I'm not getting this tight. But they have bigger bags. They're in yellows, more like mustard, reds. So these, at least they're not tiny, tiny bags. Red. Green, some blues, I really like that. Really like that. Come with your pen, tweezers, purple grip. Some little baggies. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. The symbols are so clear yet again. I think it's, do you know what? I'm sure it's from the same seller. I'm absolutely positive. And there's your symbols. Can you see how those symbols are just so clear? Yeah, I like that one. Different, isn't it? I've not actually seen anyone do this one, and I'm on quite a lot of sites, groups. So yeah, I don't mind that one. I've got a couple of charity events coming up, so I thought I'd order, you know, some smaller ones so I can sell them on the stall, and then make some money for the charity, which will be the stroke one, like I did last year. We were meant to be doing it last year, but of course with COVID and all that lots, we couldn't do it at work. So the last one, this was £8.99. I've had this one before in squares, and that went to my friend. She won it in a raffle. I thought this is quite cute, and I wanted them so I could do it for Reggie's do. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Yay! Love it. How cute is that? Oh, 40 by 50. I think it's slightly smaller than a 40 by 50. You get these with a lot of places like that. It is so clear. I've still got that other one to do for it. I've got too much to do. Yeah. £7.99. Postage and packaging was free. Let's have a look. So you get your pen and tray and all that again. And you've got a straightener with it as well. Now, let me check that. I think we've got some strays there. Little napkins, like to check. How many numbers have we got? 22 colours. Don't DMC numbers with these. Always the other two that I did get from eBay as well. Maybe I'm wrong. At least they're the bigger packets. They're not those little tiny ones. Oh no, there's none loose. Must have been the way we're looking at them. Right. More colours of red. A lot of white. That'll be down there, won't it? Yeah, I like that. £7.99, you can't complain. When I'll do it, that is another thing. That's the only thing when you get a lot of them from eBay. Let's have that. It's the prices. That's what gets me. That's why I end up buying them. Just more to go in my stash, I suppose, then, isn't it? Husband seen me with the dress on today, and my head on him, like, you banged your head or something. Sunday. I don't know. I'm going to do a video. Because Sundays, what weekends, I don't do nothing. I straighten up. Come into the craft room. Craft all the time. I even washed my hair yesterday. Must be good. $7.99. Happy with that. Right, I've got a lot here. I think I'll do this one as my last one. AliExpress. Oh, it's Alice in Wonderland. Like all glue or something. Ew. Stuck there again. Use your green thread, pen and wax. Colours. I thought I ordered this in square. Let's have a look. Oh, this is the last one today. Actually, I've got the sun coming up with veggie poo. I've not seen him since Tuesday. It's now Sunday. Oh, I don't want that sticking to me. It is 45 times 60. And it actually does look the original size for it, so that's good. And it's pod glue. It's very, very clear. Mad Hatter's Tea Party. Now how clear is that? See how sticky it is. That's fantastic. Oh, that's so cute. I think my inner child's come out of me today. Because I've got a few others. I'll leave those for unboxing on the next one. Hopefully I'll be able to do one next week. Yeah. The little rabbit. Oh yeah, I like that. I think that was $13.99. It was something like that. I've not actually got Alice in Wonderland one. Mad Hatter. There he is. I think that one will turn out really cute actually. Really, really cute. Love it. Yeah, that's sweet, that is. That's checkers drills. How many colours did we get? 30 colours in this one. I think we'll do this as the last one and I'll do a part 2, hopefully, during week of the rest of my AliExpress haul. Yeah. There we are. Ooh, I love that pink. Oh, we do like that. We've got some fabulous colours. I'll put them quickly. Can't see in it. Pink. Do you know what I might do is, oh look, got a runaway there. I look like good runaways. The yellow one. I might add some AB drills to this one. I think this one could really use some ABs to make it shine brighter. Oh look, another runaway. Some cerise brown. Oh, that's a cute pink. It's slightly darker than what it's showing up on camera. Lighter pinks, some blues. No AB. Oh, yeah. You can get the AB numbers with it, so that's good. Down there. Does it say on the, what is it? 766? No, it doesn't say the DMC numbers on the bags. It's a shame, but I've got it down here, so I know. Runaway. I might have done that one already. Yeah, I like the colours, but I do think I'm going to put some ABs in. 939, definitely, because there's quite a lot of it. So I think I'll do those in the 310s. Where did I put them away? I've got a load of the bears that I did, but I've not finished them. But I definitely think I'm going to use those for the 939 because it's strange. Let me just show you. So for 310 for black, you'd think it'd look black, but they don't. Does that look black to you? It's more like 939 with an AB, but that certainly isn't black. Another project I've got to finish. So yeah, so I actually do think I will use some of those in this one. I've got 2 bags of these. The amount of teddies I've got I'll never do because I keep on using these for the spares. So yeah, I might do. And I've also, did we see some pinky cream ones? There. I've actually got some pink ones here. So I think I'll stick those in as well. So yeah, I'm happy with that. But yeah, definitely I'm going to pop some ABs in this because it will just make it stand out that much better, and I think it's going to look magnificent. And then what I might do is, once I've done it, I'll raffle it off at work for the stroke ward at our local hospital. So that is part 1 of my AliExpress haul. So let's go back to the change the direction of this camera. I'll see you in a minute. So what did you think to that? What were my favourites? My dragon. Has to be the dragon. That's so cute, that is. And my Alice in Wonderland. So what else? Yeah, we're keen on that one. That fairy from Hong Kong, Way Too Many Rivers. Mickey Mouse were cute. The abstract one, that's different. I've got a variety of stuff really, haven't I? Some kiddies ones. I might even sell that Mickey Mouse one off when it's done. I've got a few here to fit stall as well. That's been done. And some that have not been done, that's been donated by some people in the groups. Thank you very much. And hopefully we'll get this stall done soon. As you can see, my shelves are up now. that little one there. This is cute actually. Ooh, let me show it you. I really love it. I got it from Range for £10. It was just plain. It was silver. Didn't like it, so I got the husband to spray it for me. Because if I sprayed it, I'd get it all over. Let's change this angle a little bit. Just go down that. Let's just do it like this water. So I did cheat slightly because I got some of that diamond that, you know, you just cut off. So on the outsides, all the way around. Same with the candle. Pop some roses in it. That's all this sheet stuff. It's great stuff. I love it. And it really does make it stand out. It's just like that. And then you peel it off and cut what you need. Quite expensive. I think the pink was $15.99 for 30 times 40 something. So that's how I did that. And then, there we are. I DP'd all the top of it. I love it, absolutely love it. How cute is that? Love it. So yeah, happy with that. Didn't take me that long, to be honest, because I didn't have an idea what I was doing. Dog's barking, don't know what they're barking at. Yeah, how cute is that? What a cute idea to do. Bought some little shelves from Asda's the same day. £9. Going on there. There we are. Stuck those on. Done quite a few little bits and bats around, just to keep my mind occupied, so I don't go for an afternoon sleep with grandson, because then I just won't sleep at night. I've not had a hot flush while I've been talking to you. That's good. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a great Sunday. Hopefully Tuesday or Wednesday I'll do the second half of this haul. So I hope you have a lovely day. Take care. See you later. Bye.